Okay.
Okay, so the good news is I win this time, and I began in Estonia, and then I traveled to Latvia, and after Latvia I went to Belarus, and then Poland, from Poland to Germany, from Germany to Luxembourg, from Luxembourg to Belgium, from Belgium to the Netherlands, like Peter Pan, you know Peter Pan?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan Hazishon.
Да.
You know? He lives in Never Everland.
Never Everland?
Yeah,
No,
Never Everland. Because they never become old. You know? You're young, he is old. So Peter Pan never ever wants to be old. So he goes to Never Everland. Then through the Atlantic Ocean to Wales.
Okay, very good.
And then I had a beer in Wales to celebrate.
Okay, beer. Is Wales famous for beer?
As is the whole United Kingdom.
Okay, I see. But I thought only Ireland is famous for its Guinness.
Ireland is famous for Guinness, yes.
Uh-huh.
And the rest of the United Kingdom is famous for how much Guinness they drink.
Так, он сказал, что Ирландия знаменита своим пивом Гиннес. Слышали? Книга рекордов Гиннеса.
Да.
То есть, а все остальные регионы Англии знамениты тем, вот, сколько Гиннеса они выпьют. Okay, thank you very much. Because you see, this kind of joke could only come from native speaker. So
I have many jokes.
You are welcome to joke them with us. Is it correct?
Yeah, it is. It is.
If I may put it that way.
You may.
Okay.
You may put it that way.
You see, I heard this expression from the Pirates of Caribbean. They speak old English, like from 19th or earlier centuries.
Yeah.
So if I may put it that way, if you put it that way, so.
But then, of course, if you talk like that, you need
What?
to know the accent.
What?
You know the accent.
Ah, the accent.
The accent. Oh, if I may put it that way.
Uh-huh.
Like rich people, you know.
I see. Okay, thank you. This guy asks whether they can continue. I think he wants to be the second best, so the second winner.
Well, please
Okay,
play.
давай продолжаем, Ислам.